Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you how to use the coarse and fine valves of the XD-502 console. Here we have the coarse flow control valve, which controls the delta H flow on the XD-502. This is controlled by turning counterclockwise to increase the delta H flow. Here below we have the fine flow control valve. To increase flow through the delta H, turn the fine control valve clockwise, which closes the fine control valve and decreases recirculation of the pump.